Hi, I'm Bean. Today I'm gonna do my makeup. I have decided that it's about time. Everybody has done Jennie's makeup from Kill This Love, but in order to not be repetitive, I'm gonna make it emo. Okay. No. You see how red my eye? I'm literally going to kill myself. I'm gonna change up the colors. We're gonna do a sad, somber, purple, blue moment inspired by Jennie. Let's get it. So we have the Lolita palette, and she has a lot of like purpley tones. So I guess I'm gonna start there, and I guess I'm gonna put this purple mauve all over my lid. Let me get a brush. Actually clean. Wow, I'm very shocked. Now I'm gonna take Lolita herself. And she's a little fiery, but I'm gonna put that all over my crease. That was a lot. It's okay. Perfect. I'm sorry, this palette is just like pretty chalky. You can tell. Watch my review if you have not already. All the colors are really pretty, but yeah, she is dusty, so things like this happen quite easily. Next, I'm gonna take this baby pink and use that to sort of blend all of this together, like out a bit. Okay, next, I'm gonna dive back into Lolita, and I'm gonna mix these two shades to put on our outer and inner corner. I wish I had setting spray, but I didn't bring any out here. Yes. And I am just dragging that, like, on my lash line a little bit. She is a little fixed.
2 days later.
Okay, after 2 hours, I've salvaged it. We're going back in here, putting that in our inner corner. Now, for our under eye. So what I think we're gonna do, Blue Monday, and put that in our waterline. This is gonna be a crazy look. Now in the center of that, I'm gonna press this gold crystal flesh color, just in the middle. Next, into Ocean Ice, we're gonna start our little sad lines. I'm just gonna dust some of it with that like middle color that we just put there. Mascara. Ow, no. Oh, my eye's gonna be so fucked up when I open it. I don't want to open it. I just hard blinked with fresh mascara on. I'm literally going to kill myself. It hurts so bad though. I literally stabbed myself in the eye. Okay. This is just the look. This is... It's like full on tears crying. Like it hurts so bad. I really, ow. Oh my god, ow. Oh god, it burns. It stings because now the makeup's getting in it. Do you see how red my eye is? Yeah, I just gotta wipe it off. This has been me for the past few weeks. Like this has been my life. Final finals week, but really truly final season, because I've been working on this shit for more than a week and I've just been a mess. It's been a mess and I haven't had time to do anything, and that's why I haven't recorded. This is my final look. I hope you all enjoyed watching this very thoroughly. Wow, I was really done too. Like it would have been mascara and then I would have put some lipstick. Life just doesn't always work out in your favor now, does it? I'm gonna go wipe off my makeup, try to shove some food before I have to meet my partner for my project at her house, completely barefaced, because this is what I ended up with. But it doesn't hurt anymore. I did actually get it with the paper towel. So wait, maybe, what if we salvaged this? What if we did? Would I be just like the comeback queen? I would, wouldn't I? Oh, it's on my upper lid too? That's good to know. Oh, I just thought about wiping my entire face off and it literally made me sick to my stomach. So let me see what I can do here. We'll just do this. Right. Okay, now Magic Star Concealer. Come through, baby. The eye that I poked looks real bad. That was already the bad eye, and then it literally just started crying a river. That eye is not it, but this eye is doing something, and then we can really smoke it out, you know what I'm saying? Like exaggerate it. Let me get the blue off of my fingers. Put some powder on. Put some powder on. Okay, perfect. Now, yeah, whoa, this is actually crazy. Like I look actually insane, but it's fine. And then I take Blue Monday, continuing the tutorial, how to come back from a catastrophe. Oh, don't know what that is. If we go back and forth between that and the powder, I think we might just do something. And then we fix our little lids, put our little purple on. Okay, okay. Interesting, 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 interesting. Put our little powder on a little more. Okay. Oh yeah, I look like a crazy pants. I look like actually a serial killer, but it's fine because so does Jennie. She killing that love. We're killing some people. Now I'm in like a flat out rush because I do actually gotta go. So, perfect, perfect. Okay, okay. Okay, now for my blush, I'm gonna go back into our little baby pink moment up here. Okay, for the lips, we have Oh For a Moment. She's a little purpley. I'm just gonna put a little bit of that on, just to blend out. And then we have a Pity Petta lip tint that we're gonna put in the middle. And that is all. I can't believe I did it. I genuinely, wow. Am I good? Or am I good? I think I'm pretty good. I'm pretty proud. So, this is my Kill This Love inspired moment, my Jennie moment, but emo. Like, so emo, like we actually cried. We sat down and cried together. So thank you so much for crying with me. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. Make sure you will obviously subscribe if you want to see more of this content. And then follow me on Instagram. It's 2Q21A for the time being, not 2Q21, because someone literally stole 2Q21 from me and Instagram doesn't want to help me out with it. So 2Q21A, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye. You coming back? My hands are tied now. We're making love. My hands are tied. I'm waiting on you, trying to play, but my hands are tied now. You're running off.